Hello everybody, this is Doug and I am here still in Pakistan, but this time I have flown very far to the north of the country, to the beautiful mountainous region of the country. I'm here in Gilgit-Baltistan and just take a look at the surroundings. It is absolutely insane. Flying in here was incredible. The views from the plane were just breathtaking. Over the next 2 weeks, I'm going to be trekking all throughout this region. I'm going to be taking you along for the journey. And most importantly, stay tuned till the end of the video to find out how you guys can join me here to have this very same experience with me next summer 2024. We're heading off right now on a trek to Fairy Meadows here in Pakistan. Let's do it. It's going to be amazing. All right, guys, we have boarded our Jeep. I'm here with an awesome crew. You'll meet more of them soon. And we're off on a very rocky road. It's gonna be a true adventure. Oof. All right, guys, so we're making our way. We've got 2 hours on this road like this. It's absolutely beautiful. Oh, it hasn't started yet.
This is the way to the road.
This is the way to the road I'm hearing just now. This just in. Okay, so this is nothing. Stay tuned. Alright, we've stopped off for a second. You guys want to see what one of these engines looks like. I think he's maybe putting some coolant in there. It's splattering on me. Guys, they call this road the most dangerous road in the world, and I'll show you why. This is the road. This is the edge. It just wraps around the side of the mountain. Here in some of the tallest mountains in the world. So, yeah, I'd say it's pretty dangerous. Apparently it's going to get even more narrow, so we'll see. We're on our way again. Hanging over the edge of the mountain here. Alright guys, that was insane. In this video, you probably will have seen just a few clips from what was a crazy 2-hour journey through the mountains. Now, we're beginning the trekking part of the journey. So, let me turn the camera around. Here we are in a village. We're at the first bridge. It's very bouncy and nice and multicolored. I like how they painted it. Assalamu alaikum. Okay. So here we go, guys. Now guys, real quick, I want to give a big thank you to Unbound Merino for sponsoring this video. I've actually been a huge fan of Unbound for years now, and I have a bunch of their t-shirts in a bunch of different colors. They make the softest, most comfortable merino wool clothes that you can find. They're perfect for travel, and they're perfect for trekking, which is what I've been using them for the last 2 weeks here in Pakistan. If you guys watch my trekking videos here, you'll see that I was wearing this t-shirt, a blue t-shirt, which is the same one in a different color, and a gray sweatshirt. They're all from Unbound Merino. They are moisture wicking, odor resistant, which means you can wear them over and over again. I didn't even change that much on this trek because I'd wear them during the day, I'd wear them to sleep when we were sleeping in tents, and they don't smell. You can just wear them for weeks on end and they won't smell. It's kind of a miracle. Now they're also perfect for travel days because you can wear them over and over again, you don't have to pack so much, and they're just super soft and comfy. These are my go-tos for flying on planes or for any long kind of journey that I'm taking on the road. Guys, for real, I was so happy when Unbound Merino reached out to me wanting to sponsor a video because I've been a fan of them for years, like I said, so I truly believe in this brand and this product. They make amazing clothes, no visible branding, super simple and clean. Check out the link in the description below. Check out Unbound Merino. I promise, my personal testament, you're gonna love it. This is going to be, like I said, the start of a 13-day journey. So I'm with a group of 15 people, really awesome group of people from around the world, and this is the same kind of trip that I'm gonna be organizing next summer 2024. More details to come at the end of this video. Out here, guys, it is so peaceful, so remote, so removed from the hustle and bustle of the cities. Oh boy. There's animals, villages. It's just amazing. Guys, this is my long lost Irish cousin, Shane. How do you do?
Me bum sore.
Yeah. That pretty much sums up the last couple hours. Yeah, same. Guys, so there's one of the villages out here. Hopefully you could see them from the car, but it was probably pretty shaky. These communities out here are totally self-sufficient, living at the edge of the earth, the edge of civilization, really. It is pretty remarkable. One of the issues that can be a challenge up here is altitude sickness. So right now, we are at an altitude of almost 9,000 feet, and for the meters conversion, you guys are gonna have to consult Google because there is absolutely no internet reception up here. But this is the starting point at around 8.5, 9,000 feet. The air is thin up here, there's less oxygen, and even just talking like this can make you, can really take your breath. Apparently, if you start to experience altitude sickness, luckily I'm not yet, we'll see, stay tuned, you might feel dizziness, and you might even have a little bit of, not quite hallucination, but you might have like depth perception issues and that sort of thing. Just breathing full, nice, slow breaths of air and drinking a lot of water. We'll see what happens. Sometimes these paths get pretty narrow up here, just right along the edge of this cliff here. It leads all the way down to the waterway down there. And you can see snow-capped peaks in the distance. I'll tell you what, guys, you show this to most people around the world and tell them this is Pakistan, and I don't think they'd believe you. I think it's Switzerland or Colorado or something, but not Pakistan. This is Pakistan. Unbelievable. And look at that, guys, just through the clouds there. You can see peeking out Nanga Parbat, the legendary mountain. We're going to be hiking to the base camp of that mountain. I'm so excited, so happy to be out here. Whew. All right, guys, we're still on the move, and look at these snow-capped peaks. I have to keep balancing the exposure here to try to focus on the peaks because they are so bright. The sun is just blasting off those peaks, and it contrasts with the sky and the green trees. We are nearly to camp now. Apparently this camp is incredible in Fairy Meadows. I'm so excited. Onward. Very close, guys. How goes it?
Good news, my bum's not sore. Second off, this is paradise.
But the legs sore?
Legs are good.
Okay. I'll check back tomorrow. Final countdown, guys. Did we make it?
We did.
This is it?
Congratulations, you arrived.
Alrighty. Alright, so there you have it, guys. We have made it. Final elevation, 10,769 feet. Elevation gained today on foot, 2,177 feet. This is insane. Can't wait to check out this camp. We're gonna take a look around and I'll show you guys what it's like, what you could expect on a trip like this with me next year. Details coming up very shortly. All right, guys, we've dropped our stuff. I have put on a few more layers. It is chilly up here as the sun is fading. It's very cold, actually. My hands are kind of numb. So we're gonna be sitting by the fire tonight. And I can now confidently say this is the single most beautiful place I have ever been in my life. Like, it's not even close. This wins, hands down. It's just unbelievable. And I'm gonna try to do it justice on camera, guys, but this is just, this feels like I'm in a National Geographic documentary. I mean, just look at it. I'm like at a loss for words. This is one of the coolest things I've ever done in my life. Unreal. All right, guys, the sun has set. It is now quite chilly here, and dinner is being prepared here in the kitchen. Let's take a look at it. Here's Will Mera.
What's going on,
the man, the myth, the legend who made all this happen, guys.
Living the dream, living the dream.
And it's very warm in here too. An unlimited supply of chai. Happy campers.
Happy campers.
There's no pass the karate down actually. I think 2 balls ended up there.
Oh, perfect. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. It is the next morning now, next day, and we're on a new mission. Our mission is to go to the base camp of Nanga Parbat, the 9th tallest mountain in the world. We're headed to the base camp. It's going to be a bit of a tricky hike from here on out. Slippery. We are right on the edge of this sheer cliff, and all here is a glacier. So all of that light gray, kind of white, that's all glacier ice. It comes straight down from the mountains, provides fresh water to the valleys below. So guys, this is the kind of terrain we're walking on now. It's kind of loose sand and rock, and you can see down the way. Luckily it's not a straight drop, but it's a pretty steep tumble all the way down to the glacier. So, gotta be careful here, but you really can't beat the view. Shane, how's your bum?
My bum's good.
It's good today.
It's different though.
Yeah, please don't fall.
Nah, never.
We've reached a small river coming down all the way from the top of the mountain. Gonna have to find a way across. And it's ice and snow. The higher you get, the more snow there is. But during the day, it's totally warm out here. Perfectly comfortable in a t-shirt. As the sun starts to go down, then it gets very, very, very cold. That way? Okay. Got some good boots. 1, 2. Aziz, thank you, bye. Got this icy snow. Being here is just completely surreal, guys. Most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Now guys, the nice thing with this trip is we've got a big group, about 15 people, and no one needs to have significant climbing experience. You know, there's people with different levels, and everyone reacts differently to the altitude, because you can be the most fit person in the world, but the altitude can hit you and cause some trouble for you. Oh my gosh, I gotta go this way. So the nice thing is we've got a big enough group and enough guides that we can split up into multiple groups, or if people need to take it slow, if they want to go faster, all of that is totally okay. And it's going to be the same on the group trip with me next summer. Alright guys, it's getting pretty intense up here. Current altitude is 3,887 meters and 12,690 feet. We think we're getting close. The air is thin up here. The blood oxygen, I just took a reading, 94%. So apparently that's okay. But it's getting steep now. We think it's the final trek to the base camp. Stay tuned. Guys, we did it. There's the whole squad. Woohoo! Nanga Parbat base camp. It's very modest. You can see the little hut down there. That's about all there is up here. That was the hardest hike of my life. Not that I've done very many, but man, the elevation, the altitude, it gets you. My legs are screaming, bit of a headache, just sucking wind, but that was so worth it. Oh my gosh, I can't look up, I lose my balance. Right up there, the tallest peak up there, that's Nanga Parbat. This is crazy. Okay. Next summer, I'm gonna be partnering up with Ready for Road, the same company that we've all done this with this year, and gonna be running my own trip to here, to all the things that you guys are gonna see in these videos. The details will be down in the description below. The dates are June 30th to July 12th, 2024. So by the time this video is posted, the signups will be open. You click the link down in the description below or at the top of the screen here, and you can sign up. About 15 spots available, so do not wait. Jump on it if you're interested. This has been one of the coolest experiences of my life, so check it out. All right, we're heading down now. I think this is the right time to end the video. It's probably a pretty long one. Right behind me, Nanga Parbat. Behind me that way, Karakoram mountain range. What an incredible place. Click the link down in the description below. It's going to be an absolutely incredible trip. Go check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I've got more coming from Pakistan soon, so stay tuned. But other than that, I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.